Hey guys, it's Pandora, the Postcard Diva. How's everybody doing out there today? I hope you're having a great, wonderful day. Just wanted to come back, guys, and show you how SMS Phone Leads is helping me get leads into my Easy One-Up business, okay? Everybody's asking, how do you get leads into your business? And what I am doing, okay? And this is working. I'm using SMS Phone Leads. It's $20, guys, for the system. Now, I'm sending 200 messages a day. I upgraded to the SMS Phone Blaster. It's $33 a month. And I purchased a package, okay? $57, and that's 6,000 credits. That allows me to send a text message every day for 30 days. So $57, okay, gives you 6,000 credits. You spend $20, then you spend $33, and you buy this package of $57, and you can text to 200 mobile leads every day, okay, for 30 days. Now, what you're going to do is direct them to a capture page, okay? So I'm using this system. Then I'm going to show you the capture page I'm using. I'm using a couple, but I'm using the Vertex lead system, okay? So let me show you what that looks like. Okay, guys, this is one of the pages I'm using, okay? So I log into my SMS Phone Blaster. I can do it from my mobile device, or I can do it from a computer. It doesn't matter. Most of the time, I do it from my cell phone. Okay, I log in, I send a message, and I send them to a page like this. They enter their information, and it takes them to a video presentation to sell them on Easy One-Up that does all the selling and telling for me. And I, in turn, get leads. I capture the name, the email, and phone number of people that's interested in the Vertex system will follow up on my behalf, okay? So let me show you the leads that are coming in from this. Is just crazy. Hold on a second. Let's look at all the leads that are coming in, okay, from that capture page, okay? See these leads? I have 12 so far. I just sent a text message a little before I did this video. And look at these leads coming in, and I'm getting leads every day through that system, just simply logging in, sending 200 messages a day, okay? So this absolutely works. You can get this system too. It's a great investment. $20 plus $57 gets you 6,000 credits, which allows you to send 200 messages, send one message a day to 200 mobile leads for 30 days. It's well worth your investment, especially if you're positioned in Easy One-Up at those higher levels, okay? So I highly recommend getting the SMS Phone Leads and the Vertex system, okay? And I'll show you, I'll put the link below for that, okay? So you definitely want to get that system. I'm going to put that link below, but this is how this is working, guys. SMS text message marketing, Vertex lead system, and I'm also sending it to my FX ROI system as well. Just simply text message, but you want to send them to a capture page, okay? Always a capture page. Guys, so this is the Vertex lead system link. I'm going to put it below. Go ahead and grab this system, okay, as well. It's only $97, okay? You're gonna be able to make $50 from everybody you refer if you become a reseller, okay? So it's $97 for this system. And this system is the one that's closing the deals for me. As you can see right here, we have several capture pages. I'm using the texting capture page in this system, along with SMS Phone Leads that's directing them to the Easy One-Up presentation that they provide, okay? There's a different presentation. This is not the same one that's on the Easy One-Up website. It's a totally different presentation that helps close sales for you, okay? This is what you want to get those leads coming in. Spend that $97 and get started. Get the SMS Phone Leads for $20. Upgrade to the SMS Blaster and send 200 text messages, okay, to the capture pages that's in this system. If you're in any other business, you still can use SMS Phone Leads, okay, to market any business you have. All right? I'm just speaking of what I'm using for Easy One-Up. I'm using SMS and Vertex lead system, okay? So I'm going to put the link below, guys. Go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Like the video. Check this out. I'm going to put the link below so that you can go ahead and sign up and get the SMS Phone Blaster and the Vertex lead system. Okay, and if you're not an easy one up, I'll put the link below so that you can check that out and see what that's all about as well. I look forward to working with you guys. I will see you on the next video. You guys have a blessed day.